Alright guys, we were on a job today. We were doing a wax removal. We did this 2 weeks ago and they accepted on the spot. And we are removing this wax on this tile. I don't know if you can see that. As you can see, they used some acrylic over the counter, quick shine on it, and kind of magic eraser on it. You can just see, no luck, it just has wax buildup on there. And we're gonna remove that wax right there, and we're gonna emulsify it, break it down, and then we're gonna buff it out. And also on this too, they had some wax on this floor that we're gonna also take care of in different spots. So we're gonna emulsify that, and get it emulsified, clean, tacked, and then we're gonna buff this out as well. And pop the original sheen of the floors. And again guys, just note that anytime you put over-the-counter products with acrylic or wax in it, it doesn't necessarily go on your floors. The only thing used on your floors is a neutral cleaner, like a bone or cleaner. Anything with a cleaner is good, okay? But nothing with acrylic or wax or oil or soap. And other than that, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do this today, this area. We're gonna do this tile here. Great, you can see on the edges here. Get all that to spinning. Make it look better. And once we break down the soil and remove it with our spinner machine, we are going to go ahead and seal the grout. And essentially, you can tell on the edges of the walls the way the grout should look, and then on the center. So we're going to get it closer to this here. You can see it's looking like that. We're going to remove all this dirt here. So get it back to the original condition and get it sealed for them. So we do have some imperfections here in the grout, and they're aware of that, but we will get it clean again, similar to the edge right here. Alright guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you see this at the store, this client used this on her hardwoods and on her tile. Don't use this. This has acrylic and wax, and this will peel off your pre-finished floors. Whether it's has a sheen on your tile or your hardwoods with the polyurethane, do not put this on there. It will peel and ruin your floors. So please don't use this or this, okay? Free tip. Thanks for watching. All right guys, check it out. Look at this wax removal service we're doing. Look at that. Wow. This is that Rejuvenate and Quick Shine they used. Guys, look at that. Wow. We got an emulsifier down. Look at that, guys. All right there. Wow. This is why you don't use that kind of product. Quick Shine, Rejuvenate, all those things with acrylic in it. It doesn't belong on your floors. But that's suspended, so we got product down. We got this product down. We're gonna do the same thing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. All that wax buildup. All these beautiful hardwoods. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. I'm gonna get to it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Update on the process. We emulsified that. That is wax. Look at that here. This is wax. And yeah. Stay tuned. Beautiful. guys, I'm gonna show you the difference. I cleaned this, that has not been done yet. Look at the difference, guys. That's why that wax and acrylic makes your floors dull and dingy, and it actually attracts the residue and dirt. Look at that. This is the original, brings back the life of your floors. Again, guys, we can save your floors. AO, let's go. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, dirty water dump. All that tile and hardwood. Beautiful day out here, guys. So beautiful. All right, we're getting ready to start the tile and grout cleaning. Everything loaded up and ready to go. Getting ready to start the machine now. You guys are having a great day out there. Man, it's so gorgeous. All right, guys, get ready to start it up. Stay tuned. Look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, finding a well. Look at that, guys. Where all that soil is right there, all gone. Beautiful. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got done. Check it out. It responded well. I just sealed it, and yeah, it looks good. All right, guys, we just got done, and let me show you the afterward. So we did this area here, cleaned, wax removal, cleaned and buffed, as well as this. Remember all that stuff was on the floor. It is now removed and clean. Looks real good. Beautiful. Slow roller over there. All right. And this got cleaned and sealed, and we're good to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching.